Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for today's video, I'm gonna tour you to Alcove's stunning amenities, di ba? And of course, since we're already here sa swimming pool area, ito na yung uunahin natin guys. We have clubhouse, fitness room, and parks and playground here in Alcove, Quezon City. So, ayan na nga. Let's start with the stunning swimming pool. Itong lap pool natin guys for adult, nakita nyo naman, very elegant yung design niya, no? Wow! Lakad-lakad tayo dito guys. And our kiddie pool. Grabe. Maniniwala ka ba na sa Quezon City, meron pa palang ganito? Kasi di ba ang common misconception pag Manila, QC, ganyan, parang, puro condo na lang dyan, wala na akong mabibiling bahay at lupa dyan. Kung meron man, grabe, baka 50 million, 100 million na pataas. Pero dito sa Alcove, guys, nakita nyo naman, this is the hidden gem of Quezon City. 1.5 hectare development na napakagaling po ng architectural design natin. Meron dito mga 2-story and 3-story townhouses na up to 4 bedrooms and 4 toilet and shower. And we have complete amenities na talaga namang masasabi mo, low density siya, exclusive yung community. In fact, 3 security yung pagdadaanan mo kasi to get here is through Geneva Gardens, Palmera Homes, and then ito nga ang Alcove na may sariling security. Tapos nakita nyo naman, no, hindi basta-basta yung swimming pool niya. Akala ko nga parang, ano siya, ang ganda ng idea kasi 40% open space. So just imagine, yung 1.5 hectare na yan, 60% lang, yung talagang inano niya for residential, yung set aside niya. And then 40% open space, amenities, wow. Sino ba namang ayaw ng ganun, di ba? Wow, tignan niyo yan guys, napakaganda. Pag nandito ka nga, ang maririnig mo, puro huni ng ibon, yun. Diretso na tayo sa parks and playground. Look at the beautiful Alcove Park and Playground. Ang gustong-gusto ko talaga dito guys, hindi nila pinutol yung mga puno na matatanda na malalaki na kasi alam mo na dahil sa global warming, kailangan natin yung mga puno na yan. Yan o, tingnan mo kung ilang taon na yan. Your kids will surely enjoy our beautiful park and playground. Ano to ha? Matibay to. Kayang-kaya nito. Wow! Ang sarap dito guys sa Alcove. Pwede kang mag-ano dito. Pwede mong i-testing yung tibay at durability ng kanilang playground. O, ayan. Ang ganda, oh. Tignan mo, oh. Oh. Diba? Ni-landscape talaga nila itong mga matatandang puno na to. Hindi pinutol yan. O, diba? Yan. Let's check out our stunning clubhouse and fitness room. Guys, ito siya nito. Look at our clubhouse, diba? Pag may mga bisita ka, hindi ka mapapahiya kasi tignan mo naman. Napakaganda ng mag-welcome sa kanila, di ba? And at the same time, may napakaluwag tayong parking space dito pag may mga visitors kayo. Let's go to the second floor. We have a restroom here for our clubhouse. Ang ganda. Pati yung architectural design ng clubhouse. Nakita mo, ang luwag ng stairs natin. Ayan. At our fitness studio. Look at our fitness studio. O, diba? Hindi condominium, house and lot community, diba? Exclusive subdivision in Quezon City. Pero, meron ka pa rin fitness room na air condition. Yung pinaka-gusto ko talaga ng air condition siya, di ba? Ang ganda ng view. Tapos, from here, may napakaluwag ka pang balcony area na may magandang view. View mo yung yung para sa playground. Ganyan siya kalaki, guys. At syempre, meron tayong, let's go to our clubhouse. Function room tayo. Ito na yung pinaka-function room natin, guys. Ayan. Welcome to the function room. If you have some event, kung gusto mo na private, intimate, yung celebration nyo, pero kailangan mo na mas malaking space, tignan mo naman, guys, no? Na pwede kang mag-hold ng forum dito. Ayan. Diba? We have 2 aircons here. Ito lang naman ang ating function room na meron kang magandang view of our swimming pool. Look at that! Look at our swimming pool here in Alcove, guys. This stunning community here in the heart of Quezon City is available for sale. We have ready for occupancy and pre-selling. If you want to see the house tour that I have, it's in a separate video, so you can check out my channel and or check the comment section for the link to the house tour of Alcove that I have, because today it's just our amenities tour for Alcove. Okay guys, nakita nyo naman kasi, diba? Talagang ma-exercise ka sa paglibot mo sa napakagandang amenities dito sa Alcove in Quezon City. O, diba? But just to give you an idea, we still have less than 20 million for a townhouse na merong 2-story, meron ding 3-story townhouse with 4 bedrooms. So, go ahead and check out my house tour on another video. That's all, guys, and if you have any other questions, my Viber and WhatsApp number always showing on the screen, and just contact me as soon as possible and mention Alcove. All right, remember, your vision is my mission. My name is Nicole. See you next time.